Example problem 2 reads, what is the force of a person sitting in a chair when the person's body exerts 5.0 pascals of pressure into a 0.576 meters squared chair seat? So again, the formula that we'll use for this equation is pressure equals force divided by area. The first thing that we always do is write down what the problem tells us. So the problem has told us that we have a pressure of 5.0 pascals and that we have an area of 0.576 meters squared. The next thing that we always do is try to figure out what it is that the problem is asking us to figure out. So the problem says, what is the force of the person sitting? And so force is what we are looking for. So we'll go ahead and fill in our variables. 5.0 pascals equals X, because force is the variable that we do not know, divided by 0.576 meters squared. To get X by itself, we have to multiply by 0.576 meters squared so that it cancels. 576 meters squared, since there was a division bar on this side of the equation. And so in your calculator, you should simply type 5 times 0.576. And that equals 2.88 newtons.